Right now, I want $1 million US. Even some advice of the real artist Prohgres I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest. You see it? Jamaica's worst gamer. Real artist I represent.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's gamer here with another reaction. Today, guys, we're here with Prohgres. Yeah, man, my bro, my G. Prohgres and Shakespeare with Victory. Yes, this is the message from above Riddim. It's an official audio, so I can jump in it and hear where the G have to say, you know, a bad singer. Pick up my bad brother. Let's go!
Shakespeare, on a real artist. Answer. You feel like don't know what you do now make sense. But me like it's a curse or a rotted spell. Just go on only fear cause it all shall end. Victory the right round the corner, my friend. Find light not the darkest step. Me find out see across the step. See them people me.
One thing with Prohgres, the man sang them hit differently, like the reality. I don't know when my meds them sang and I put them out, bro. But me I tell them, bro, them connect. Big up yourself, me G. Connect! Yeah, man.
Shakespeare, on a real artist.
One real artist. Song them connect, me G. Ready?
You feel like don't know what you do now make sense. But me like it's a curse or a rotted spell. Just go on only fear cause it all shall end. Victory the right round the corner, my friend.
Yeah, man, sometimes you feel like you do everything right, but it not go in a your way. It not go. Just go on with the faith, believe. It all gonna make sense at the end of it, man. Just continue, you see me? Be strong.
Just go on only fear cause it all shall end. Victory the right round the corner, my friend. Find light not the darkest step. Me find out see across the step. See them people me call my friends. Them want to call my strength.
The same people me call my friends. The same people what me call my G, my bro them from day one. Want take what?
Same people me call my
what them want take Prohgres?
Them want to call my strength.
Them want to do all of the G strength. But Prohgres, also remember say, well, one of your first set of song them, you have a song named Strength. We say, if you not get fight, you don't make sense. More than fight, that's how me get strength. Remember the song there? Yeah. So right now, I have to play out that Sophia G. Let's go and do it.
Light not the darkest step. Find out see across the step. See them people me call my friends. Them want to call my strength. But don't run my way. No secular take the field. Not here when I like when we
Yo, the G can't sing your fuck. Talent. Overhype. Prohgres, talk to them.
You feel like don't know what you do now make sense.
Yeah.
Feel like it's a curse or a rotted spell. Just go on only fear cause it all shall end. Victory the right round the corner, my friend.
Millions.
Find light not the darkest step. Find out see across the step. See them people me call
all my friends.
Them want to call my strength.
Millions.
No secular take the field. Look here who don't like when me make me speech. But some of them are pussy like we under breathe. God make me see that now.
Yeah, man, some of them are pussy like we under every girl. Some of them are pussy like we under Brit and Keisha. Some of them are pussy pum pum and punani. But guess what? The greatest thing I have to know. The greatest thing is to know all them steer. Yeah.
No secular take the field. Look here who don't like when me make me speech. But some of them are pussy like we under breathe. God make me see that.
Yeah.
None of them can get way up.
None of them.
What about the waters can no make me drown? Oh, me survive and them a try for you.
What one?
Spin a rocky road, yet still that no face. We can't give away the pussy, coulda drive me crazy. Can't count the amount of time me feel. How the fuck you are gonna rich dog if you're lazy?
Listen. How the fuck you are gonna rich if you're lazy? How? You have to take chances in life. You have to take risk. You have to take risk, work hard and believe. Yeah. So you go rich, or you want rich? No, you're not rich.
Count the amount of time you feel. How the fuck you are gonna rich dog if you're lazy? Puzzle and blood clot bread. The man live when them see me on the plane. And every time them expect me to feel. Do the opposite and make them share.
Share them! Bad song!
No care who they like when me make me speak. Some of them a pussy like we under bridge. TG and a seek. I run me down. No them can't get me up. Keep me head above the water, Scott, no make me drown. Oh, me survive, but not them a try for no. Yeah.
Relatable!
Stay up on the top of the top. All when them a pray for me flop on me drop.
No!
On the hill of me property that. Into the Benz, drop on the fat. Hear them a talk, but them just have a chat. I spend pan car that me spend for my watch. Overcome the ups.
What am I spend pan car that me spend for my watch? What am I spend pan car, pan beast? That me spend for me AP. No that.
But them just have a chat. I spend for care, that me spend for my watch. Overcome the obstacles, them when them try for attack. With my Glock, me up for a 2 o'clock. And now when me win, now second and get the beat. No care who they like when me make me speak. But some of them are pussy like we under breathe. God, you make me see. And now when me go, no them can't get me up. Keep me head above the waters, them can't make me drown. Oh, me survive, and them a try for no. Yeah. Coming sorry.
Bumbo clot. Song! Song! Shakespeare, big up yourself. Message from above, Riddim. Bad. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, Bumbuckler, one brother, one progress, one sentan. King for sentan, big up yourself, my G. Bad singer, as usual. Never drop no catch when you come on to that, my fam. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Shakespeare, big up yourself, my G. Good, solid song. I be a solid song you get from Prohgres. You know, I get no foolery, no fuckery, no buckery. You know, I get that. You see me? So if you can relate to this, make sure you don't drop a like on it. Yeah, man, if you can't relate, don't give up. Energy when you have, don't give up. Work hard, believe, spend time. Work smart for somebody, but work hard for yourself. And believe. You can't make money if you're lazy, yeah? All right. This is how I'm going to leave down and see. If you enjoyed the one and want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Right now, I want $1 million US. Even Solomon Vice of the Real Artist Prohgres, I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest. You see it? Jamaica's worst gamer. Real Artist represent.